कालीकूर्चसमायुक्तमायाकूटोपदेशतः प्रणवार्थप्रबोधिन्यौ नमामि गुरुपादिके श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः क्रीं मात्रे नमः नमः सदसे Namaskarams to one and all. This is an information video regarding the filing of petitions against Nityananda for financial fraud. Basically, Nityananda has got only two important abilities and two important aspects to his power and to his organization. One is the mindless followers and another one is money. He has hoarded hell a lot of money in billions of dollars from many disciples, followers, devotees, samajis, satsangis, whatever he is calling. And what we need to do right now, if you want to bring down Nityananda, if you want to expose him, if we want to crumble his organization and stop his fraud further, is to remove this power of money from him. And this has to be done in two levels. One is to stop the inflow of money and to take the money that he has already got. And what are we going to do with this money? We are going to give it back to those who have been affected and cheated, who have lost their entire life savings. And we are not going to do it individually. It is not practically possible. So we are going to do this through proper legal means with the support of the Indian government, External Affairs Ministry, Finance Ministry and Home Ministry. Sufficient inroads have been made by Janardhan Sharmaji and others involved in this process, and they have created a scenario wherein all you need to do is file a petition to start the process rolling. To get the ball rolling, what you need to do is to file a petition. And the petition is a collective cry. It is a collective show of strength in numbers, just to show that these many people have been cheated by Nityananda. We have to show that. We are saying he is a cheat, he is a fraud. We are repeatedly discussing this in our groups, in our Cult Survivor group, in various peers. We are trying to spread the message. But that is not sufficient. We need to prove to the government on paper that this is true. So many people from so many countries are involved in this process. So many people from so many countries have been cheated by Nityananda, and this has to stop. So in order to do this, the Indian government given us an opportunity to show that what we are saying is true. So this is very, very crucial. The petition must be addressed to the External Affairs Ministry, CC to Home Ministry and CC to Finance Ministry. The addresses of these three ministries will be displayed on the screen right now. Please make a note of it. So these are the addresses, and the to address on your cover letter must be these three. And then you need to write a statement, and this needs to be generic. This need not be stereotype or Xerox copy. There is no set format to it. It is just to show that there is very organic support towards this movement of declaring Nityananda as a fraud. So the cover letter must say who you are, where you are residing, from which year to which year did you associate with Nityananda, and what were the promises that were made to you. For example, healing or getting back 10 times or 3 times over whatever money you are investing, you will get it 3 times over, or anything like, you will manifest powers. So all of these things have been promised to you. Or even promises like temples are going to be built in a particular area, libraries are going to be started, this is going to be done, that is going to be done. For each person, the reason is different. For each person, the reason why you gave money to Nityananda is different. One very important thing is you cannot mention donation in the petition, because that goes without saying. However, you can spend the money, you want to spend the money, you can spend the money if you are giving it as donation. No questions asked. So avoid the word donation anywhere in your petition. Underline this. Avoid the word donation anywhere in your petition, and just have the cover letter. The cover letter must have the amount that has been paid, the total value, and it must clearly say that I am not satisfied, I have not been given what I was promised, so I want my money back. And this is a fraudulent organization. The organization should not continue to cheat people further. This should be the strong message of your cover letter. And after the cover letter, please attach one identity proof. Please attach one identity proof, either passport or social security or whatever, your identity proof. This is just to show that we are not writing petitions on our own and sending. This is to show that the individuals who are writing the petitions do exist. They are real people. You are a real person. So please attach that. And there is no requirement for any notarizing or any notary public or anything like that. That is not required as of now, and that is not required for these petitions. As simple as that. And then you need to include transactional evidence like bank statements or Xerox copies of checks if you have them, or any other bank statement or any other credit card statement that shows that you have paid this amount. If you have paid in cash and if you do not have the evidence, no problems. All you need to do is, in a separate piece of paper, list the amounts and the dates and include that. Whether you have been you have given only $1,000 for a Pada Puja or $200 for a Pada Puja, or whether you have given $200,000 for becoming a Samaji, it doesn't matter. If the amount does not matter, do not think that this is only for people who have paid for IA programs, nothing like that. If you have given any money to Nityananda and if you feel that you did not get the returns for that money, you did not receive the service or the product, you are dissatisfied, then this petition is for you. And since so many people are going to give the petition, we don't want every petition to be picture perfect. I am not asking you to do mistakes consciously. If you feel that I don't have 100% proof, 100% evidence for every single penny that I have given, doesn't matter. This is going to be bulk number of petitions that is going to be submitted to the ministry, and so you can include whatever transaction evidence you have. You only have transaction evidence for the past 2 years, before that you don't have evidence, no problems. You give the 2 years evidence and then you give the list of monies that you have paid to Nityananda before 2 years in a piece of paper, date and then amount. Not even perfect date, like general date and then amount. That is also sufficient, because this is not just going to be one petition, it is going to be a bulk number of petitions that is going to be submitted. So the general sense is what matters. The general truth that we are trying to convey to the government of India is that we do not want our country to host this particular organization. We do not want our country to be known in the international arena as a country which has this fraudulent organization. That is not something that we need. This is all we are going to say. And that being said, once you finish this petition, what you need to do is, if you have a scanner, well and good, you can take a scan of the documents, or if you don't have a scanner, no problems, you can just keep it flat on the desk and you can take a clear picture, a legible picture of that particular document, all the documents together and your ID proof, and you can simply attach it to an email and send it to this email ID. The email ID is bringnithidown@gmail.com. The email is being displayed in the screen right now. So all you need to do is write down your petition to the Home Ministry, Finance Ministry, CC. Main recipient is the External Affairs Ministry of India. I'm giving the addresses once again on the screen. So just do this and take a photo of it and send it to this particular email ID. We will be collecting all these petitions, digitized format of petitions, and we will be forwarding it to the ministry, and very soon action will be taken to roll the ball, and action will be taken to announce his organization as a fraudulent organization so that he can stop getting money. So please make this effort. And this is a very great step. This is a very important step, a crucial step in bringing down Nityananda's organization. And I request all of your support towards this venture. Thank you so much. दक्षं योरा वृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तुनः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वञ्जिगाद्वेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपतये सञ्चतुष्पते आं शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।